The Quran acknowledges Jesus, Isa, as a significant prophet in Islam. Quranic verses emphasize Jesus' miraculous birth. He is revered as a messenger sent by God in Islamic tradition. Muslims recognize Jesus as one of the most important prophets. However, Islam does not recognize the divinity of Jesus. Isa, Maryam, Mary, holds a uniquely honored position in Islam. She is the only woman mentioned by name in the Quran. An entire chapter, Surah Maryam, is dedicated to her life. She is revered for her exceptional piety and purity. Her unwavering devotion to God is highly esteemed. Maryam is considered one of the most righteous figures in Islamic tradition. Islamic art and calligraphy sometimes symbolically depict Jesus and Mary. Figurative depictions are uncommon in traditional Islamic art forms. Verses referencing Jesus and Mary are often rendered in calligraphy. This highlights their importance within Islamic teachings and stories. Calligraphic representation emphasizes their esteemed status in Islam. The artistic focus is on reverence through symbolic and textual representation.